Hey guys, it's your girl Naturally Nata here, and I'm back with another video. So today guys, I'm going to be sharing with you how I take my long, thick, natural hair. As you can see, it's very afro-like, very thick, and it's getting longer and longer, and how I do protective styles with it, especially drawstring ponytails, because it's very hard to get a sleek, high drawstring ponytail when you have thick, long, natural hair like this. So I'm going to give you my tips and tricks. So the ponytail that I'm going to be demonstrating for you guys today is from Extended Styles. I did get this from Amazon, of course, and it was only about 20 bucks. It's 24 inches long. It's very wavy. It has a really like exotic type of texture. When you put it on, it just makes you, it just reminds me of like a Spanish mamita or something like that. It's just so cute. I love it. So it comes with 2 clips, one in the back and then there's one in the front. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how I do it. So my hair is washed. That's one of my main tips, is start off on hair that is wet. As wet as possible, not drenching, but you know, you want your hair to be like freshly washed, freshly out of the shower. Don't let it dry. So I'm taking this Bella Curls leave-in conditioner and I'm going to put that all throughout my hair just to give it some added moisture. And I'm putting a very, very generous amount in my hair. And then I'm taking my Denman brush and I'm going to really smooth that all through. That's just going to add to the sleekness of the style once I actually put it up. And it's, you know, taming my hair. It's not just dry. If my hair was just dry, it would be very, very hard to get it into a small bun. So I'm going all throughout my hair with that Denman brush, then taking my EcoStyler gel. The EcoStyler Olive Oil Gel is my ride or die. It is my holy grail gel. It's my holy grail everything. I use it so much. I go through so many tubs. I use it on my daughter's hair, my hair. My husband uses it. So we go through a lot. So now that I have that gel all throughout my hair, I am going to take my Tangle Teezer. This is another great product. The Denman brush and the Tangle Teezer are 2 products that you need if you are a naturalista. So that Tangle Teezer really smooths out my hair. The Denman brush really gets all the tangles out of my hair. So I'm going over my hair with a regular brush now, and that's just going to smooth my hair down even further. So that Tangle Teezer smooths and the regular brush smooths. Along with that gel, it just gives me the sleekest style possible. Then I'm taking a regular hair tie and I'm going to just wrap that 3 times around the base of my ponytail. 2 to 3 times is good. If you want to be daring, if you want to live on the wild side, do 3 times, because there is a chance it will pop and snap and you'll have to start all over again if you do 3 times. But I got it 3 times around and it didn't snap. Thank you, Jesus, because I did not want to start over, because if you have long hair, if you have a lot of hair, you know your arms will be aching once you get to this point. So as you can see, it's nice and smooth. I'm adding some more water to the end of my hair, the ponytail part, because like I said, I want my hair to be pretty wet. And then I'm going to go over that with the Bella Curls leave-in conditioner and just really rake that through the length of my hair, because I want to make this bun as small as possible. The Denman brush, going through that, getting tangles out, that's going to just make my hair smaller to help me get it as small as possible. And I'm going to wrap it as tightly as I can around in a bun and then secure that with another ponytail holder. So now I'm going to install the ponytail. As you can see, I love this ponytail because look how big this thing gets. It stretches out a lot, and I broke the drawstring. I don't know how that happened, but we're going to make it work, with the show must go on. So I just put the ponytail, stretched that bun part out, put it over my bun and clipped it in the front, and used that clip in the back of the ponytail to clip it up underneath. And I'm going to tie the drawstring in a knot, basically pull it tight and tie it in a knot, because the little piece that tightens it, as you can see, it broke off. I don't know how, but it still works great all the same. And I still love this ponytail because I just love the texture and the length. Just wait till we get all done. It's gorge. So I took a piece of the hair and wrapped it around the base of that ponytail, as you can see. And that just is going to conceal the ponytail, make it look more natural and more real. I'm taking some bobby pins and I'm just pinning the hair in place. And I decided to take one more piece and do the same thing, wrap it around, just to make the ponytail look more real and natural, and bobby pinning that in place. And look at that. Look at the texture of the hair. Look at the curl. Look how long it is. Look how full it is. There's so much hair on this ponytail, which I really like also because that helps conceal my bun also. This is the perfect ponytail for somebody with long, thick, natural hair. So now I'm taking this little edge control and I'm just going to put that all around the edges of my hair. And I'm going to take my edgy brush. If you're interested in edgy brushes, I will have that linked in the description box below. But I've just used that to create some baby hairs. Well, I have baby hairs. Take my baby hairs and smooth them out. Give me some swoopies. And I also do it on my sideburns because that just adds to the, exoticness of the whole style. And now I do tie my hair down with a silk scarf. That's another major key. And look at it. It is flat. It is shiny. My hair looks, ooh, look at that. Looks beautiful. So for the last thing, I'm going to take this Ceviche hair wax stick. I got this from Amazon also. It will be linked in the description box if you're interested. But I'm going to take some of that, not too much because I didn't want to add too much of white residue. But this hair wax stick is very good for adding extra shine and also extra sleekness. And it's good for like wigs and stuff too. Fake hair, real hair, whatever. And then I'm just taking my brush and just making sure that's nice and combed and brushed through. And that is the finished look, guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. I love this ponytail, guys. For 20 bucks, you need it. It's gorgeous. I had this in for days. I just tied my hair up at night and took it down the next day. Added a little bit of that hair wax stick to the base of my hair, maybe some gel, tied it down. And I was good to go. So make sure to check the description box for this ponytail and all the products that I use. And I cannot wait to hopefully see you in my next one. Bye.